everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add text tracking tutorial on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, open your CapCut apps and click a new project, and then add the video that you want to edit. I want to add this one, so you just click on it, and after this you can click add at the bottom. Now if you wanna add a text tracking, I wanna show you, this is the original video like this. I wanna make the text follow this person. So the first step, you can write the text. You can click on the text and click add text, and in here you can write the text, maybe text trash can, like this. And in here I wanna add style, so you can click on the style. Okay, this one, and then click font. I wanna change the fonts, this one. Okay, and after this you can click check icon in here. Now I wanna make this tag to follow this person, so you can set the text until the end of the video first, like this. Okay, and after this you can click on the text, and at the menu you can swipe until you can see tracking, and then click on it. And after this you can set the circle, this one, to this person. Okay, and after this you can click start tracking. Okay, like this. It's not smooth. I wanna reset again and make again like this. Okay, text in here. Okay, like this. Now you can click on the start tracking again. And now finish. So that's how to tracking a tutorial on a CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.